Hey, what's up YouTube? DIY guy here, and today we're going to be working on a 2014 Honda Civic EX-L, and we're going to be just doing a quick video on how to change the engine air filter. So let's get the engine hood open and we'll walk through the steps. Okay, so we've got the engine open, and this is going to be your engine air filter housing right here. I've got the air filter here. This is the one I'm using, and the number for that one. And it's pretty simple. We're just pull that out. So that's what it's going to look like. The first step here is going to be removing this. So I'm going to go ahead and get the tripod out to hold the camera, and then we'll take that off. Okay, so to remove this, there are just 3 of these metal clips here. There's 2 here, and there's 1 here on this corner. So all you need to do is just pop those off. Pull all 3 of those off. Then this top will be loose. Okay, so once you have that loose, you kind of have just enough room to work back here. And you can pull the old filter out. Now, if you pull it all up all the way, you should be able to get that old filter out. And then take note of the direction here. So you can see this is that way. And I've got the new filter here. So again, I'm just going to lift up there, slide this one in the same way. Slide it in. And then make sure everything's seated properly here, because it's got a rubber gasket. And it should be able to push back down on here. Now when it comes back down on here, this should seal here. And then you're going to again lift up on the clips, pull up here, and pull all 3 of those up. And that's all it is. So that's a real straightforward thing you can do. All you need to do is buy the filter, so you don't really need to pay to have this done at a repair station. Something very simple you can do in a couple minutes. I hope this helps. Please subscribe if you want more videos on the Honda and Toyota and some of the other cars that I have, and I'll keep putting together some of the simple repairs you can do yourself. Thanks.